Advanced English Vocabulary with Urdu Meanings. Part 3. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments. 21 Blatant, adjective.
वाज़े खुलम खुला गुस्ताख.
Example, blatant lies. 22 Dilute, verb.
मिलावट करना पतला करना कमजोर.
Example, bleach can be diluted with cold water. 23 Massacre, noun.
कत्ल खूनरेजी.
Example, the attack was described as a cold-blooded massacre. 24 Revulsion, noun.
एहसास बेजारी ज़हनी इनकलाब.
Example, news of the attack will be met with sorrow and revulsion. 25 Virulent, adjective.
जहरीला शिद्दत.
Example, a virulent strain of influenza. 26 Frailty, noun.
कमजोरी लागर ज़ईफ.
Example, the increasing frailty of old age. 27 Ferocity, noun.
गैज़ व ग़ज़ब तैश संदिली.
Example, the ferocity of the storm caught them by surprise. 28 Incontrovertible, adjective.
नाकाबिल तरदीद मुस्लिमा.
Example, incontrovertible proof. 29 Derogatory, adjective.
तहक़ीर आमेज़ तौहीन आमेज़ ज़रर रसा.
Example, she tells me I'm fat and is always making derogatory remarks. 30 Ceremonious, adjective.
पुरतकल्लुफ़ शानदार रस्मी.
Example, a great hall where ceremonious and public appearances were made. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments.